Welcome class 8. Hope you will be fine. Students, here's your book, The Grammar Tree. So let's start our today's topic. Students, we were discussing about modal verbs, and in our previous chapters we have discussed in detail about the uses of modal verbs and their examples. Means के modal verbs examples that are uses and sentences. Then we have to complete exercise B, and we will discuss the negated modal verbs and contraction. And now today we will discuss modal verbs and tenses. Modal auxiliaries do not have different forms in different tenses. कि इनकी different tenses में different forms नहीं होगी other than their usual form. इनकी अपनी जो usual forms हैं उसी के according ये use होंगे. For example, look at the following examples. She might visit her grandmother next weekend. Reference to the future. They could not buy tickets for the show. Reference to the past. The vase can trip over and fall any moment. Reference to the future. I would like to show you around when you visit. Reference to the future. He should have said goodbye to her before leaving. Reference to the past. Okay students, clear है आपको ये स्टेटमेंट मॉडल वर्ब्स और टेंसेस कि हम सेंटेंस में मॉडल वर्ब्स को कैसे यूज़ करेंगे. नेक्स्ट है जी एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस विद एप्रोप्रिएट मॉडल वर्ब्स. इन सम केसेस यू माइट नीड अ नेगेटिव मॉडल वर्ब. मॉडल वर्ब्स की हेल्प से हमने सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है और कुछ सेंटेंसेस में हम नेगेटिव मॉडल वर्ब्स को यूज़ करेंगे, नेगेटिव फॉर्म को. मीन के सेंटेंस नंबर 1, यू शुड हैव टोल्ड योर मदर द ट्रूथ. नंबर 2, ही वॉज सॉरी डैट ही वुडेंट बी एबल टू कम टुमारो. Sentence number 3, I cannot tell you this. It is a secret. Number 4, if you like, I could help you with the project. Number 5, you must submit the assignment today. Number 6, Sally mistakenly received the letter, but she knew she dared not open it. Number 7, if your house was burst, you should have to file an FIR. Number 8, she asked me if I would like to come to the party too. Number 9, could you please pass the butter. Number 10, you must not tease your sister so much. Okay students, next exercise number E है. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with need and needn't. Need not mean needn't. You need to eat sensibly to stay fit and healthy. First में आएगा need. Number 2, need I call John just now for he is coming tomorrow to visit me. Number 2 में भी need. Number 3, she needn't have watered the plants as it's going to rain again. Number 3 में needn't. Number 4 में वो needn't read the whole book. The first 2 chapters will do. Number 4 में भी needn't आएगा. Number 5 में we can all hear you quite well. You needn't shout. Number 1 और 2 में need यूज़ करेंगे. Number 3, 4, 5 में needn't. Okay students, come on page number 44. Exercise number F है जी. Underline the correct option in the following sentences and rewrite them. हमें 2 options given है. We have choose the first option means the best option and rewrite the sentence. Students, first sentence मैंने rewrite किया है option को choose करते हुए. Sentence number 2, 3, 4, 5 में I will told you about the option and you have to complete the sentences by yourself. Number 1, notice at the zoo. You must not, need not feed the animals. आप इस क्वेश्चन से लिखेंगे notice at the zoo. You must not. Right option क्या है इसका? You must not feed the animals. Number 2, you must not, need not take leave from work, but you must take the medicines regularly. Number 2 में हमारे पास suitable word है need not. Number 3 में we must not, need not drive so far. There is plenty of time. Number 3 में must not is suitable. Number 4, notice at the school. Lifts must not, need not be used during the fire drill. Number 4 में must not is suitable. Number 5, you must not, need not send me a formal invitation letter. I'll be very happy to be present at the ceremony. तो number 5 में हमारे पास need not is suitable. Okay students, this is the last exercise of our today's chapter. मीन्स कि इस चैप्टर की भी जो लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है और इसी एक्सरसाइज के साथ हम अपना आज का लेसन ख़त्म करेंगे. लेट्स रिवाइज. Number G exercise है fill in the blanks with appropriate models. I can do my brother's homework for him, but I mustn't. मस्ट नॉट हम इसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसको यहाँ पे यूज़ करें कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में मस्टंट. नंबर 2 यू कुड ईजिली मेक अ फूल ऑफ हर बट यू शुडेंट. नंबर 3 ही वुड लव टू गो ऑन द पिकनिक विद अस टू बट ही कुडेंट. नंबर 4 दे थिंक दैट विल सपोर्ट देम बट वी वॉन्ट. नंबर 5 शी ट्राइड टू ओपन द जैम्ड विंडो बट शी कुडेंट. Number 6 I thought my phone would function after the repair but it wouldn't. Number 7 I could reveal his secret to anyone but I shan't. Number 8 I would love to help you but I can't as I don't have enough money. Number 9 you are stronger than him but you shouldn't bully him. Number 10 I would be happy to live with you but I won't as I have a place of my own. Okay students, ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर. इसमें हमने मॉडल वर्ब्स और टेंसेस को डिस्कस किया. दैन एक्सरसाइज D, E, F and G you have to complete all your books and you have to learn all these exercise also. Okay students, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.